Don't pause. Press play.
Hello friends and fans of EVGA, and today I've got another new card in the 16 series to show you. This is the GTX1650. This slots in under the GTX1660 and kind of like the 1050 before it as compared to the GTX1060. This is significantly less performance than you get from something like a 1660 and significantly less cost. So this is a lower end product. This still has the Turing architecture. This one weighs in with 896 CUDA cores and 56 TMUs. Starts out at the MSRP of $149.99 for GTX 1650 cards. So this card is actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get it open. Take a look at what you get. This model that we're looking at today is not the MSRP SKU. It's a little bit higher. This one has a factory overclock, so normally the boost clock that you would get with a 1650 graphics card is 1665 megahertz. This one actually runs at 1860. So almost 200 megahertz of boost added to the base card. So pretty significant overclock that you get with this XC model that you don't get with our Black Edition model.